Hello, this is a Bechstein Model 8 upright piano made in 1904, about 130 centimetres tall, so same height as the Yamaha U3. Just looking at the piano, I have already done quite a bit of work. We'll see the worksheet later on, and just looking to see if there's any extra work to do, and also to think about the piano as well and listen to the quality of it. So the casework is pretty perfect. It's a matte black finish, and my colleague who's just been gone over it, our French polisher, is impressed with the finish. There's just one defect I want to show you, because during lockdown you can't come in, and that's where this has been sliding from side to side. There is felt underneath here, but it's just polished up basically slightly, so that's something we can't get rid of. So I'm just going to contrast it as well with a very similar piano. So this is a 1907 Bechstein Model 8. Bechstein Model 8 started in 1902, by the way. When they remodel all their models, Bechstein uprights and grands actually. So this is an ordinary original finish, which my colleague has made good as much as possible. Now this one looks more as you'd expect it to look. I won't show you too much more of that, though. I don't think I've got a video of the outside case of this, because it wasn't lockdown when we were doing that, so I didn't tend to show so much. So this one's pretty perfect as well. Now we decided to replace the keytops on this one. Too many had come off and been stuck back on. That's quite common with ivories, and particularly if it gets slightly damp or slightly dry, then the wood underneath contracts or expands and the front part comes off. So that's an indicator for you that the piano might be drying out, so it's something to look at. This piano doesn't seem to have suffered at all, but we have replaced these with modern keytops. The other Bechstein 8 has got the original keytops. You can see slight yellowing, but they're perfect, and none of them have come off and been stuck back on again. Now the action is similar on both pianos. We replaced the tapes on this. I think it had been done previously on the other one, and just both of them are very finely regulated, so very similar in that respect. There's the 8, by the way, that identifies the model. You get that on the models, the later models from 1902. You get a number on them to identify them, and you can see this one doesn't seem to have been used at all. Very, very slight use, so that was encouraging for us, and we've obviously voiced the piano and just done what's necessary really to improve the tone. Original tuning pins, very small, as we mentioned before. You can tell original ones because they're small, and both pianos is the same actually. Going to listen to the tone of both pianos and also compare with another piano. Here's the worksheet, which if you have a look at, you can see what sort of work we've done, and I think it's been ticked off where all the works that we have done on this piano. So I won't talk about this, but if you're interested, just have a quick read. And of course the key weighting, which is really important. The sharps tend to be a bit high, so of course this is after lubrication, so we still need to do a little bit of work to even out the weight. And varying the touch is just a dream, and that's a lot to do with the fact that it's a very, very low up weight. We've mentioned this before, and low up weight always does feel really good. So that's a Bechstein Model 8 upright piano made in 1904, and I've compared it with another Model 8 made in 1907 and with a new Feurich 122 and a Yamaha U3H U3H made in 1972. I hope that's helpful. I won't be talking any more over this video, though I did make a surprising discovery, personal discovery, as I played them, and I'll put text over the video explaining that, and also some other thoughts as they occur to me. Thank you very much.